In this video, we will cover how to prepare your workstation for a virtual visit using DoxyMe. Now that you're logged into DoxyMe, you will see your dashboard. On the top right corner, you will see your webcam. If your webcam isn't enabled, press the Turn On Webcam button to enable your webcam. Your computer may ask you to allow access to your webcam. Please allow access at this time. With my webcam now enabled, I can see my video feed in the top right corner of the screen. If I wish to turn off my video feed at any time, I can do that by hovering over the video area, selecting the ellipses icon, and pressing Turn Off Camera. I am still able to speak with my video turned off. If I wish to also turn off my audio, I can do so by again hovering over the video area, selecting the ellipses, and pressing Mute Myself. To turn my audio or video back on, I can do so by again hovering over that area, selecting the ellipses icon, and turning my camera or microphone back on. Before your first virtual visit, it is important to consider if your work area is well lit for a video call and that your audio-video equipment is working properly. It is therefore recommended to do a test run of your technology before your first virtual visit. Conduct the video session in a private space in both yours and the patient's location. Using a phone or other mobile device in public could compromise the patient's confidentiality. During the session, check if the volume is set to an appropriate but discreet level, or consider using a headset. Do not leave a connection unattended. Once the session is over, all participants are expected to disconnect from the call immediately. For more virtual care resources or to request one-on-one consultation, please contact the Doctors Technology Office by email at dtoinfo@doctorsofbc.ca. Please let us know if you find these videos helpful or how the DTO can serve you better by clicking the link below and responding to our short survey.